Welcome to Sam Tech. In today's video, we're diving into the world of technological innovations that are empowering industries to achieve unprecedented growth and efficiency. From the latest breakthroughs in automation to the transformative impact of digital technologies, we'll explore how these advancements are setting new standards in various sectors. Let's get started. Automation has become the backbone of modern manufacturing, allowing factories to scale up production effortlessly. With robotic arms, automated assembly lines, and AI-driven quality control, manufacturers can produce goods faster, with fewer errors. This level of automation not only meets the growing demand but also ensures that products maintain consistent quality, giving companies a competitive edge in the market. The Internet of Things (IoT) is revolutionizing agriculture by enabling smart farming techniques. Connected sensors monitor soil moisture, weather conditions, and crop health, providing farmers with real-time data to make informed decisions. This technology optimizes the use of resources, reduces waste, and increases crop yields, promoting sustainable agricultural growth that can meet the global food demand. In the construction industry, new technology is making it possible to build faster, safer, and with greater precision. Drones are being used for site surveys, 3D printing is creating building components on site, and advanced software is optimizing project management. These innovations reduce costs, minimize human error, and speed up project timelines, allowing for the completion of complex structures with unprecedented accuracy. Medical technology is at the forefront of advancing healthcare, with machines that improve diagnostics, treatment, and patient care. Innovations like telemedicine platforms, AI-assisted diagnostics, and wearable health monitors are making healthcare more accessible and personalized. These technologies enable healthcare providers to deliver better care more efficiently, improving patient outcomes and managing larger caseloads. Smart systems are transforming supply chain management, making logistics more efficient and responsive. Technologies such as blockchain for tracking, AI for demand forecasting, and autonomous vehicles for delivery are reducing delays and enhancing transparency. These innovations allow companies to meet customer demands quickly and accurately, ensuring smooth and scalable operations. The modern office environment is powered by integrated tech solutions that boost efficiency and collaboration. Cloud computing, project management software, and AI-powered analytics tools streamline workflows and improve communication. These technologies enable teams to work smarter, reducing the time spent on repetitive tasks and focusing more on strategic initiatives. The transportation sector is experiencing a revolution with the development of next-generation vehicles. Electric cars, high-speed trains, and Hyperloop systems are making travel faster, safer, and more environmentally friendly. These advancements not only improve mobility but also open up new possibilities for trade, tourism, and economic development. Renewable energy technologies are crucial for powering the future sustainably. Innovations in solar panels, wind turbines, and energy storage systems are making renewable energy more reliable and cost-effective. These technologies reduce our reliance on fossil fuels, lower carbon emissions, and support the growth of green industries, ensuring a sustainable energy future. The retail industry is being transformed by innovative technologies that enhance the shopping experience. From AI-driven product recommendations to cashier-less stores and personalized marketing, retailers are using technology to meet consumer expectations. These innovations increase customer satisfaction and loyalty, driving sales and business growth. Advancements in telecommunications are connecting the world with high-speed networks. The deployment of 5G technology, fiber optics, and satellite internet is making global communication faster and more reliable. These improvements support everything from remote work to international trade, helping businesses expand their reach and operate on a global scale. The food industry is embracing advanced machines that revolutionize food production. Automated processing lines, precision farming, and AI-driven supply chain management ensure food is produced efficiently, safely, and sustainably. These technologies are vital for meeting the growing global demand for food while maintaining high standards of quality and safety. Smart equipment is enhancing resource extraction in the mining industry, making it safer and more efficient. Autonomous vehicles, remote-controlled drilling rigs, and real-time data analytics are reducing the need for human labor in hazardous environments. These technologies increase the speed and accuracy of resource extraction, boosting productivity and ensuring worker safety. Warehouse automation is optimizing inventory management through the use of robotics. Autonomous robots can navigate warehouse floors, sort and pick items, and even perform quality checks. This automation reduces human error, speeds up order fulfillment, and allows companies to manage larger inventories with ease, supporting business growth. The textile industry is advancing fabric production with smart machines that enhance quality and efficiency. Automated weaving, dyeing, and cutting machines produce textiles with consistent quality and minimal waste. These advancements allow textile manufacturers to meet the demands of fast fashion while reducing their environmental impact. EdTech is revolutionizing education with digital tools that make learning more accessible and engaging. Online platforms, interactive learning apps, and virtual classrooms provide students with personalized learning experiences. These tools support lifelong learning and equip individuals with the skills needed for success in a rapidly changing world. The entertainment industry is pushing creative boundaries with digital innovation. High-definition cameras, CGI technology, and virtual reality are enabling filmmakers, game developers, and musicians to create immersive and visually stunning experiences. These technologies attract larger audiences and drive growth in the entertainment sector. Financial technology is modernizing finance with digital transformation. Mobile banking, AI-driven investment platforms, and blockchain-based solutions are making financial services more efficient, secure, and accessible. These innovations are reshaping the financial landscape, offering new opportunities for businesses and consumers alike. Thank you for watching Sam Tech. We hope this video gave you valuable insights into how technological innovations are driving growth and efficiency across industries. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. See you in the next one.